okay? Because what I want to do is get some color on our noodles. I've already cooked them, so they're all ready to go. We're going to get them in here, and I'm going to get some oil on them, and I'm going to get some soy sauce. So let's get some soy sauce on them. I want to color them up here. I want to darken them up, and then I want to make a sauce with them. We'll put everything back in. Now this is our toasted, roasted, toasted, beautiful sesame oil. We're going to go just like that. That's about a tablespoon I put. And then what we're going to do is get these going just like this.